Today we're going to be showing you a tutorial on how to make chocolate cake that only requires 3 ingredients.
Let's get to it. Hey everyone, I'm Marv.
And I'm Ayush.
And we're the Tasty Twins.
The channel that gives you the best tutorials for your most favorite desserts, drinks, snacks, and more.
Plus, we occasionally do some awesome baking challenges, so if you're new here, consider subscribing. Alright, first we're going to get some Oreos. We're going to be needing 28. Now we're going to go ahead and crush all 28 of these Oreos. You can do this by hand, but we're going to use a blender instead.
Alright, we got our Oreo crumbs and now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Let's add it in.
Okay, for our last ingredient, we're going to go ahead and add in 1 cup of whole milk. And give that a whisk.
Now we're going to transfer our batter to our saucepan. First, spray with oil. Now, pour our batter. Keep it at low flame for 40 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give us a thumbs up down below. Click here for our last video. Click down there for our ice cream series. And click here to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.